Hello, it's Philip Taylor speaking from Richmond Green Chambers, and this morning I'm looking at a book from the Law Society. It's called the Conveyancing Quality Scheme Toolkit, and it's part of the Practice Management Standards series from the Law Society. It's now in a second edition. It's actually been written by the Law Society itself. That's the toolkit there. We'll show you it in a moment. My wife and I have given it a title on the web, which is Specialising in Conveyancing. Get this toolkit from Law Society Publishing now in a new second edition with an accompanying CD-ROM. And solicitors as well as barristers, in our view, specialising in conveyancing will appreciate the advice and practical assistance contained in this handy toolkit, which has been produced in a convenient paperback format. That's the actual book there, the spine, and then there's the back. As you see, it's not a particularly big book. There's the CD, you'll find on the inside cover. You've got chapter headings like that one there right at the end, which is basically a check of various sorts. And you can see with all of this information the actual chapter headings, and you've got headings to go with it. For instance, this deals with email policy. You can see the various headings there. They haven't got paragraph numbering issues the way that you do elsewhere, but you do have a lot of useful pro formas, if you like, or certainly things that you can download from the CD, which I think you'll find of help. There is a preface as well from the Law Society, and this comes actually from the Conveyancing Quality Scheme Office. You can see the name at the bottom there. And the contents themselves are set out there and there. So you've got some idea of what the book looks like. Bearing in mind that the Law Society and Conveyancing Quality Scheme is the quality standard for residential conveyancers, you need to be accredited under the scheme, not just for enhanced professional prestige and profit potential, but to provide additional assurance to lenders and insurers as well as clients. It's especially important in this particular difficult economic climate. Conveyancing obviously is always subject to a lot of controversy, but the issues at the moment are very clear, and I think the toolkit itself helps immensely. It's been pointed out by the Law Society that the new second edition is completely up to date, taking account as it does of the SRA Code of Conduct 2011 and also the account rules, which these have actually emerged following the Bribery Act 2010. The book's succinct and logically structured and divided into 4 sections to include financial management, supervision and operational risk management, client care and file and case management. By the way, client care means complaints, just in case you understand the interesting way they use the word client care when it's actually a complaint being made. As property purchase is usually the most expensive transaction most clients have to make, it's reassuring to know that you have an authoritative yet succinct source which looks at all aspects of conveyancing in a readily accessible format. That's what you've got with the toolkit, and it's something you certainly should have, if you've not seen it before, for your professional library. Thank you to the Law Society for producing it, and good luck. I think it's a great step forward for what we're doing. Bye bye.